Welcome back, my friends. Now the trading practice rule, that's the most important. First, when you trading now in the demo account, I'm talking about demo account, before you reach that level to put real money in your account and start trading. First thing, learning when you open a trade, it's stop loss and take profit and forget about it. Or do like me, close the broker and go with your friend, watch a movie or anything. Don't open the broker, cause the trade need to hit one of two, target or stop. That's all. It's very simple, because over here you control your emotion, because even emotion is playing a big role in trade. Open a trade, forget about it, stop to hit stop or to hit the target. That's it. Second rule, never ever close a trade before it hit one, take profit or stop loss. 3, try to control your emotion. If you lose, accept it, and when you win, don't get more confident. Not when you win to say, oh, I am the best trader, and not when you lose you get very bad, because that the emotion need to be very very normal for you to win or to lose. When it hit the stop loss, said that again, as if you play in a football, like those players of football. If anyone play football, when you play in a football, a team he lose and a team he win, then at the end they shake in the hand, the box, anything. It's the same things. The first one, always remember, trading is just a probability game. Just a game. No matter what is it, your trading strategy or your trading style. 5, never and ever try to change your trading strategy. Stick in one. Stay with one strategy, because there is nothing his name Holy Grail, and you will not find it. Or you go looking for another strategy, okay? Because you're going to find people they selling indicators, people they selling blah 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 blah. The best indicators, those ones empty for offer for you. There is nothing best than that. I think everything is very clear here. Number 6, trading is discipline and constancy. Be disciplined at your trading strategy and your trading rules. Like ours, we said when it crossed the RSI crossed 55 and the 5 crossed the 12, we buy. When the candle closed 1, 2, 3 rules, very simple. When the RSI crossed 45, the 5 crossed down, the 12, the candle closed, we enter 1, 2, 3. That's the rules. Number 7, always stick. And the strategy, the money management. Always stick at your strategy. Sorry, I make an error there. At your strategy and the money management, you're going to be profitable. Believe me, you're going to be profitable if you follow those rules. There is no one came to lie at you, told you Holy Grail or something. There is nothing his name Holy Grail. Me, I've been in this world for 20 years and know what I'm talking about. I'm not someone amateur. The reason of all that, first, I'm very proud of you. Reach that level, you finish the course. Second, if you do what I tell you in that course, I promise you, gonna be profitable trader. Promise. And if you do that, any hedge funds, any investment bank, they will offer for you job, because you're going to show them a track record of you for 1 year, 2 years, 3 years. You're sticking at your strategy, your discipline. Forget about all that madness. Me, I don't watch news, I don't watch TV. I don't watch those Bloomberg and those things. I'm just sticking on my trading strategy and my money management. That's it. And that what is named professional traders. That was professional traders they do. The retail traders they don't do. And finally, congratulations to you. You are now a professional trader. That's what we do. I told you, your track record, your trading record. If you spend 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, you don't losing money and you growing up your account. I promise you, any investment bank you go to him, they will not ask you the degree or what you got or blah blah. No, they will ask you about your trading record, what you have. Show it to them. They will offer for your job immediately with the price you want and the salary you choose. But if you start changing from that strategy to that one, you will be always losing and you will never get nothing in this world, because this world you need to choose one plan and to stick in it. So I think, my friend, my role here is finished. Back the videos as much you want, because everything is going to be here. Try to practice in a lot, at least 6 months in a demo account. After demo account, open a cent account with FBS and XM. They offer you to start only with $10. And $10 because its cent is 1,000 cents. Then practicing till you find yourself you are ready to start, you are sticking at those rules, then you're going to be very profitable trader. So see you in the next. Bye.